Sound, let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music, na 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 na. Do it, let's get loud. Let's get loud. Oh my God, this is so nice weather. Mga baklang, ganda ng panahon today. Look at that. Super nice, super beautiful today. The ocean is really calm and also it's really clear, clean. Not like yesterday or the previous day. It was really like, you know, mix of sea dirt. Bahala na kayo kung anong tawag nyo doon. Ganun. So, ayun na lang. Update ko na lang kayo later on. At pupunta tayo sa may cliff area kasi maraming tao doon. And I'm hoping na makapag-swimming tayo. Kasi nga, last time hindi na nakapag-swimming. And I'm super unstable also. So, alam nyo ba na ang aking jutak ay weather lang din mga bakla. Kasi sometimes stable, sometimes unstable. Pag unstable, umuwi na talaga ako ng maaga. Or, ayun na nga, pag nahiya na ako, hindi ko alam, maintain yung sarili ko, bahala na kayo. Adios.